Today, my group and I will be teaching you Newton's 3 laws of motion. Newton's 3 laws, founded by famous physicist and mathematician Sir Isaac Newton, can be seen everywhere in everyday life. Newton's 3 laws of motion is the law of inertia, law of acceleration, and law of action-reaction. Let's start off with Newton's first law.
The first law of motion states that an object at rest will stay at rest, or an object in motion will stay in motion, unless acted upon by an outside unbalanced force. This law is also known simply as the law of inertia. An example of this is a glass of water. If you have a glass of water and leave it on the table, the glass of water will remain there unless moved by an external force, your hand.
The law of inertia also plays a big part in sports such as soccer. When a player is taking a free kick, the ball is at rest. Once the player strikes the ball with their foot, the unbalanced force, the ball is out of its current state of motion. Same concept when a player is past the ball. The ball is moving forward and he stops when the player stops it with their foot. If the ball wasn't stopped, the ball would continue in its line of direction until friction slows it down.
Newton's second law of motion, law of acceleration, states that acceleration is produced when force acts on a mass. The greater the mass of the object being accelerated, the greater the amount of force needed to accelerate the object. The equation used to calculate force is known as force equals mass times acceleration, or F equals m times a. The force is measured in newtons, and the mass is measured in kilograms. And acceleration is measured in meters per second, or meters per second squared.
An everyday example of Newton's second law is with a trolley. It is easier to push an empty trolley than a full one, because the full one has more mass than an empty one. This means that more force is required to push the full trolley than the empty trolley.
Newton's second law can be seen in basketball. When doing a layup, not much force is required for the ball to make it into the hoop. When taking a free throw, more force is needed for it to make. Although the ball is the same mass, you still need more power in the shot, so gravity doesn't pull it down too quickly. When doing a three, you need even more power for the ball to make.
Newton's third law, law of reaction, states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. The statement means that in every interaction there is a pair of forces acting on the two interacting objects. The size of the forces on the first object equals the size of the force on the second object. An example of this is when you sit on a chair. As you sit on the chair, your body reacts on the chair with one force, and the chair reacts on your body with yet another force.
An example of this is when you're playing tennis. When hitting a volley, the moving ball bounces off the racket with a relatively equal amount of force when it heads towards the racket.